This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tina Mabry. Surround yourself in complete privacy on this large 10-acre tract, abundant with native hardwoods and mountain laurel. Perfect home site is near the top of the rolling topography, and with a little clearing, will open up a big mountain view. Electricity and internet are already accessible along the privately maintained gravel road fronting property, just a short distance from the pavement. Located just 15 minutes from Ellijay and an easy drive to a multitude of North GA exploring options, including trout fishing or kayaking, vineyards, hiking, guided bird hunts, and more. Exactly the right spot for your North GA mountain home. Some minimal deed restrictions, no mobile homes. For more information, review the details below or contact Tina Mabry.